Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make melodies like Ginseng. To begin, select a minor scale, which often provides that signature melancholic or chill vibe. Consider using a natural minor or harmonic minor scale for different emotional nuances. Picking a key that truly complements your desired mood is crucial for setting the right foundation. This initial step is vital for capturing the essence of the style you are aiming for. Next, focus on rhythm and repetition, which are key elements. Simple, repetitive rhythmic patterns are characteristic of this style, often creating a hypnotic feel. Don't be afraid to incorporate subtle syncopation to add a touch of unexpected interest. While repetition is good, varying note lengths slightly can prevent the melody from becoming too monotonous, keeping listeners engaged throughout. Now, let's talk about chord progressions and arpeggios. Build your melodies around simple, diatonic chord progressions, typically using 3 or 4 chords. Utilizing arpeggios is an excellent way to outline the chord tones effectively, giving your melody a strong harmonic foundation. Adding passing notes can create smooth and seamless transitions between your chords, enhancing the overall flow and musicality of your piece. Finally, consider embellishment and texture to refine your melody. Adding subtle counter melodies or harmonies can provide depth without overwhelming the main line. Use effects like reverb and delay sparingly to create atmosphere and space, but avoid overdoing it. Layering different instruments, perhaps a soft pad or a gentle pluck, can contribute to a richer, fuller sound, completing your Ginseng-style melody.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.